Hi there, it's Mark Carlson here. So this week's video, why is temptation good for you and how can you use it to absolutely empower you? Come on in. So temptation, you know what it feels like. You've made a decision to stop smoking or to stop eating so much or to go to the gym or to do something that's going to make your life better. And then you've got this temptation to not do it or to go back to the old habit. So why is temptation good for us? Well, I remember reading in one of Gary Zukav's books, and he said, when Jesus was offered dominion over the entire universe by the Luciferic principle, by the devil, was Jesus tempted? And the answer, of course, is yes, he was tempted. Why? Because if he wasn't tempted, there would have been no power in his decision to say no, right? So temptation comes along and always gives you an opportunity to be powerful. Every time it comes, it gives you that split-second moment where you're going to say, I'm going to be powerful or I'm not, right? And the decision you make after it obviously determines reality for you. But temptation's coming and it knocks on your door every time and says, you want to be powerful or not? And here's the other thing. Also, what it does, it's a dress rehearsal for negative karma. So if you say yes to the temptation, then of course you're creating negative karma for yourself. Of course you are. So it's also giving you that opportunity to create positive karma for yourself. It's one and the same thing really, but it's offering you the opportunity to be powerful. Remember this. You see, the more conscious you become of yourself when the temptation's with you, the easier it is to overcome the temptation and be powerful. If you're just in an unconscious pattern, the temptation will win every time. So getting conscious of yourself or becoming more aware of yourself when you do the actions that you do that don't help you really helps. So for example, watching yourself light the cigarette, watching yourself take the cigarette out of the packet, watching yourself light it, watching yourself inhale, the whole process, the more conscious you become of the whole part of smoking, the more aware you'll become. And eventually, the more aware you become, the more painful it will be to do the thing that doesn't help you. So, but if you just stay in the unconscious pattern, then you have no power over the sabotaging pattern. But as you get more and more conscious, as I said, what eventually happens is that your awareness is so great that it becomes far too painful for you to do it. So use your temptation to be powerful. Have an absolutely fantastic day when you watch this, and I look forward to talking to you again next time. Thank you so much.